Guys, I am back in front of my 2022 Ford Mustang Mach-E. Select the base one, and I got this cool cover or mat, I should say, from 3D Mats for my Frunk. So if you didn't know, I've already laced up my vehicle with floor mats. Let me unlock this real quick since I've already got the door open. So I got floor mats front and rear. I also have the cargo mat as well. Voila. So I got that. So now I'm finishing my ensemble with the Frunk mat. And let me show you. So the 22s, the later in the year of 22s, I guess they used to have dividers here, but they took it out because now they have a safety release for people that can get stuck or very small people. And you didn't know you can also drain your Frunk, but I wanted to get this Frunk mat because this plastic is pretty slippery, especially if you have something on the ledge. So now we got this cool Frunk mat that fits perfect in there. That's Frunkalicious, right? Anyway, so yeah, so now you got little things in here to hold it. There you go. Nice. And if you're interested, I'll put the link up here and also the description. Also, if you want to buy this Frunk mat and a couple other parts, such as the inner mats or the cargo mat, you could save 10 bucks. I'll add that coupon code if you're interested in getting the combination. So anyways, thanks for watching.